What's up guys, my name is Igor Vatenko and I'm glad to welcome you to my new push-up challenge that will make your chest, shoulders and triceps big and massive. At home, no equipment at all. So the rules are simple as always. 4 sets, 30 reps in each set, 2 minutes rest between sets. Your goal is to try to complete all 4 sets, 30 reps in each set, right here with me on the floor. If you can complete it, my applause goes to you, man. If you can't complete it, this is what your game plan. You will use the comment section as your workout notes. So after the first set, when you do, for example, 20 reps, this is your max, 20 reps, you will go to the comment section and type today's date, first set, 20 reps. Then you will go to the second set. You done, for example, 15 reps. You type second set, 15 reps. And just like that, you'll write the results for each of 4 sets. And then you will click comment. After 1 or 2 days of rest, you will come back and you will try this challenge again. And your goal is to beat, at least for 1 rep, your previous results. If you did 20 in the first set, you need to do at least 21. And the same goes for each of the next set. And keep coming back to this video, guys, until you can do all 4 sets, 30 reps. Why we do exactly 30 reps in a set? Because 30 reps is the highest threshold until you can build your muscles effectively using your own body weight. When you do about 30, it starts to work more on your endurance, not your muscle size. So 30 reps, it's like the highest sweet spot to build muscles. If you're ready to hit this challenge, guys, leave the like button below. I guarantee you will love it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm here to help you to get in the best shape of your life. Let's do it together. Now the last quick reminder, don't rush your reps, guys. Go 1 or 2 seconds down, 1, 2, up. 1, 2, up. Don't rush your reps. And also guys, don't forget that this workout is part of my full home workout routine. Definitely check it out. It's completely free and it's amazing. Link in the description. Let's get down on the floor and let's get started. I'm excited to see your results in the comments.
Alright guys, your first set, complete as many as you can, ideally 30 reps. Let's do it. Now when you have your number, go in the comments below and write down the results for the first set. Even if it's 5 reps, write down the results, then take 2 minutes of rest and complete another 3 sets. Rest 1, 2 or 3 days and then come back and beat those results. Let's go, brother. I believe in you. Our goal is 30 reps in each of 4 sets by the end of this challenge. Even if it takes you up to 2 or 3 months, the results will be worth it. Let's go. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
tell me what we're doing. I'm so about to change this evolution. About to shake the ground, you feel it moving with the revolution.
Getting hype when I aim up, elevating that game up, stepping up to the competition. Only first place, and that's how I'm living. I'm winning till they digging up my grave, eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up in the place. I was born and when I watched me elevate. All in when I show up, whole place about to blow up. Superior to that competition. I'm in first place, and that's how I'm living. I'm winning till they digging up my grave, eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up in the place. I was born and when I watched me elevate.
Alright guys, Congratulations, man, this was awesome. This was just awesome. Such simple workout, but so fun and so effective. Definitely write down in the comments below your results. If you like this workout, leave a big thumbs up and keep coming back, man. Don't give up. Keep coming back until you can do 4 sets, 30 reps. I believe in you. Follow me on Instagram for the daily support for the workouts, and I'll see you in the next video. Go for it.